I never thought I would be making a video with this title, guys, but my Camaro SS feels slow, man. Now, as you guys know, this car is my dream car, and I always thought the Camaro SS was fast, man, but I think I made a mistake, guys. I think I shouldn't have driven that ZL1. All right. Yo, who would have thought 455 horsepower, 455 torque would be considered slow, man? And don't get me wrong, I love my car, man, but it's too slow for me, bro. Maybe I should have just stuck to my Camaro SS and not driven anything faster, bro. I've made up my mind that a ZL1 is the next car I want. I wanted a 4-door car, but you know, F all that, man. I ain't got time for all that. I'm getting the ZL1. Originally, that was my you know, next car plan, and then after a while I wanted a 4-door, you know, so I was looking at Chargers and stuff. And after driving the Charger in that previous video, if you haven't watched it, you know, go ahead and check it out so you can see my impression on the Charger. But I wanted the Charger, man, and I drove it. You know, it was fun and everything, but I realized the Charger, at the end of the day, it's not me totally, okay? By the third day, you know, I felt a little bit, you know, more comfortable with the Charger, but I can feel in my soul like the car is not me, okay? So the ZL1, man, you know, I know the ZL1 I drove is a modified version of a ZL1. I never drove a regular, but still, just sitting in the car and seeing one again in person, man, it made me remember the... Here. One second. Alright, sorry, had to clear the traffic, man. No, I know a lot of you watch my channel because you either have a Camaro SS or you want a Camaro SS. And don't let this video make you think that the Camaro SS is not worth it, bro. The Camaro SS is still... it's still considered a fast car, okay? You will beat a lot of other cars on the road, okay? Especially for the price. And, you know, it's still a good bang for your buck, okay? So, definitely, bro, if you're watching this and you want the Camaro SS, definitely still go for it. But me, I think I just want a little more. I need more of that kick. I need to fear the power of the car, you know what I mean? I need to feel that again. And that ZL1 I drove, that brought fear of driving or the fear of speeding the car back, and I need that again. So, bro, my grind level is about to go up so hard, bro. Like, you guys have no idea. But as you guys know, I keep it very real on this channel. I tell you guys everything, or almost everything I'm doing, you know, business-wise, financially and stuff, because I want to set realistic expectations for this channel, especially financially. So, and a lot of you, I know you watch me for financial advice around cars too. So, the reason I want to tell you everything that I do plan to do, you know, or I am doing, is because I want you to understand, you know, how I afford certain things financially. So when it's time to make your own decisions, you know, you can either take example or not take example, you know, depending on whether you think the advice is good or not, man. But that's mostly what I'm doing on this channel, man. One thing I want to say is thank all of you guys who have watched my videos, who've subscribed to my channel, who've you know, followed on Instagram, messaged me on Instagram, you know, anything, bro, any type of interaction with my channel or my pages or anything like that. I really appreciate it, bro. You know, all of the collabs I did, it goes a long way. And I want to say officially thank you for 2,000 subscribers, man. We passed the mark, and that is a very, very big achievement for me, man. Feels good, man, feels good. So I appreciate all you guys' support. That is going to be the end of this video, man. I'll see you guys in the next one to let you know what's going on, man. Peace.
I'm in the Ferrari of the American car. See right here? Super sport, guys. Super sport.